Okay everyone, here's my review of the Nurture Right 360 incubator. I have loved this incubator. It's easy to use, it's easy to regulate. This is my second batch of eggs that I have incubated in here. First I had 7 duck eggs in my incubator, and out of the, 8 duck eggs, and out of the 8, 7 hatched, and they're 3 weeks old now and doing great outside. Now I have my chick eggs from my hen house. I've got fertile eggs from my chickens, and I put 20 eggs in here, and so far almost 18 eggs have hatched. And there's a pip. This one's starting to hatch right there, and then this one over here got a chick in the way, but that one I have an X on because there we go. See, I have an X on that egg because when I candled them at 14 days, that one didn't look viable. So I thought, well, I can't tell for sure, but I'll put an X on there so I can remember that one I wasn't sure about. Okay, they're all doing very well. Here's this one. Maybe we can catch this on video of this one coming out. It's just about ready. Yep, it's gonna push its way out. It's got a welcoming committee out here. This is one full incubator of chicks. And there we go, gave it a big shove. There he is. I've got some mixed breeds in here. I've got Buff Orpingtons and I've got White Rocks, which the chicks are born black because it throws back to what the White Rocks were bred from. So I end up with black chicks, and then I've got some Rhode Island Reds possibly in here. That's what I got out in my hen house. And as you can see, these are doing very well. And I am new at this. This is only my second batch of eggs that I have hatched. The manual is very good at explaining how to do this and how to regulate the temperature and the humidity. With that little thing right there that you can dial, that you can close and open and shut to help do with the humidity. And I've noticed that even if the humidity fluctuates more than I thought it should, it hasn't affected my hatch rate at all. You add the water from the outside in that spout, so you don't have to be opening up the incubator. I've only opened this incubator once since this hatch began last night, and to get some of the shells out because it was getting pretty crowded in there, and everybody seems to still be doing just fine. It's a pretty busy incubator, so I'll tell you what, I couldn't be happier with this. Go ahead, order it. I love it. I did a lot of research before I purchased it. Glad I picked this one. I would do it again.